Hey guys, Sheri Ann Richerson from exoticgardening.com, and I wanted to give you an update on the tunnel house gardens that I've been talking about and working on this year. Before we begin, I do need to tell you that I did receive some of these items for free in exchange for my honest review. All opinions are my own. The items that I'm going to show you that I did receive for free is the Simple Grow worm castings and the bean tower that I received from Gurney's that you can see behind me, and also that Back to the Roots grow bag that's back there, the self-watering grow bag. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. So this is the early girl tomato. I'm going to come down here. There's tomatoes there. There's tomatoes up here, as you can see. Some back there forming. And some over here. I know those tomato leaves are in the way, and I just watered, so that's why everything is wet in here. Oops, lost the focus. Sorry about that, guys. Anyway, as you can see, this tomato is absolutely loaded with buds, flowers, tomatoes, the whole 9 yards. So doing very, very well in here. I am still watering right now, just trying to get my beds kind of soaked. So I wanted to show you the Swiss chard. I wasn't sure how well that would do, especially with the extra heat and stuff that you get in a tunnel house, but it is doing really, really well. I will be getting a second harvest here really soon off of this. So down here, under one of those huge Swiss chard leaves, I have my rosemary plant. And then I have some celery. It's doing really well. We did have some animal damage, but it's really coming back well. This is the cabbage that I believe it was a groundhog that ate. I think that's what got in here. Not positive, but I think. But that cabbage is coming back even after all the damage. And look at the one next to it. And this one did not sustain as much damage. I don't think it sustained any. This one sustained some damage, as you can see. And it's also coming back. I have a small thyme under there. There's another cabbage. This is pineapple sage, and next to it is oregano. I'm going to come on back. I want you to look at this potato. And I'll tell you what I'm going to do. It has grown so fast, and it's actually up over the top of the grow bag that I put it in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move these other bags out of the way a little bit, and I'm just going to put straw on top of this to allow this potato to keep growing. This is the watermelon. We've had something digging in this several times, so I only have one tiny watermelon seedling so far. I may actually replant this to add a couple more of these seeds. And this is the other potato. I mean, can you guys believe they were both planted at the same time, both the same type of potatoes, but look at the growth difference. And I really did nothing different. Back here, I have the green beans and the radish have come up. I don't see signs of, well, that may be a carrot right there. So the carrots may just be coming up. I don't see any signs of the cucumbers, but my seeds could have just been old. Now I want to show you, these are the tomatoes that I put in the upside down planters. This one, especially this one down bottom, is doing really, really well. I don't want to break it off, but as you can see, I mean, it's really doing well. The other one, not so much, but these kind of things do happen sometimes. You may have two plants side by side, one that does super well, one that does not. So basically, the only thing that I have done for these plants in here is I put them in a garden that has been here since 2005 that we have amended with amendments from our barn and different bags of soil that we have been given, mushroom compost, those kind of things. This year I did not amend the soil at all. I planted as it was, and I put some bagged grass clippings over the top, and that's the way I did this. Now, I did not pre-amend the soil. What I did do is I received this bag of Simple Grow worm castings back here, and I did put some of the Simple Grow worm castings, a small sprinkling around each one of these plants. You may have also noticed that I do have some weeds in here, including some thistle that I'm trying to get out. We have been digging the thistle out by hand, and then I have been using some horticultural vinegar on top after we dig it out. We are making headway. We've had some rainy days, and so I haven't been out here working. I need to get out here this weekend and get the rest of that thistle out of here and get some horticultural vinegar and get the rest of this planted. So I am thrilled with the way these beans are looking. Everything is just so huge in here, and it may be the extra heat or the protection from the elements, but I want you to look. That is just a normal green bean plant. And I really feel like these leaves are getting really, really large, which is fine. I just, compared to what's outside in the garden, these ones inside are definitely a lot larger. So anyway, guys, that's my update for today. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, thumbs down, comments below. I hope you will subscribe and have a great day.